Hi guys! Hirap ka bang mag-cash in sa GCash dahil hindi gumagana ang click machine? Madali lang yan. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-cash in sa GCash gamit ang Click app. First, pumunta sa Play Store at i-download ang Click app. Now, open the app after downloading and click Add Money. Then click GCash and click GCash Cash In. Next, enter your registered GCash number and enter the amount to cash in. And click the check button. And now you will receive the generated barcode. At ngayon, pumunta sa pinakamalapit na 7-Eleven store at ipascan ang barcode sa cashier. You will receive a text message from GCash that you have received the amount that you have cashed in. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.